Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to code number guessing game in C++. So let's get started. Here I have come to my Visual Studio Code and this is the problem statement. They have told us that they have given an integer n. A number guessing game is a simple guessing game where a user is supposed to guess a number between 0 and n in a maximum of 10 attempts. The game will end after 10 attempts, and if the player failed to guess the number, and then he loses the game. Okay. So here the game will be played among two players, that is the computer and the user. Okay. And the number of attempts will be 10, which is the maximum, and after the 10th attempt, if the user fails to guess the actual number guessed by the computer, then he will lose the game. So let's get started with the coding. Here I am including a header file, hash include bits std c++. You can call it as a universal header file because it includes all the other header files. That means you need not to include the header files like a hash include iostream, hash include vector, and hash include string and other things. Okay. So now using namespace std, and I will create a main function. Int main returns 0, and then here by default I am assigning the value of n as 100. If you want to take it from the user, then you can write it as c in n. Okay, I'm commenting out because I'm assigning it as in the value of n as 100. If you want to change the value of n and take input from the user, you can uncomment this line. The source code link will be given in the description. Do check it out. And after that, int comguess. Comguess is a variable for the number guessed by the computer, and user case will be variable the value guessed by the user. Okay. Then system cls. This will clear the terminal screen or terminal. Okay. I'm writing it for clarity. Clear the terminal, and then system color 0d. This will give color to the terminal. That is, change the text color or in the terminal. And then cout. Welcome to number guessing game. Copy this. Yeah. So this is just to make our game running in the terminal to look prettier and good, and get the feel of that you're playing a game. And hence we will give some instructions to the user. And then handle, then cout. You have only 10 attempts. If you guess if your guess matches with the computer, then in that case you will win, otherwise you will lose after 10 attempts. Sorry, yeah. handle, cout, enter your numbers less than 100 after the attempt number is displayed. Okay, so now we will take user input. We'll use a for loop because we have to give 10 attempts for the user. Okay, if the user fails, and for that we will use a for loop which will run from 1 to 10. I equals to from 2 10, and here we will assign the flag to be 0. And if the user case and the computer case will be same, in that case flag will be 1 and we will give a break. So let's proceed. Cout, attempt number I. Okay, and now computer case. In case of a computer case, random numbers must be generated. For that we need to call a function which will generate some random numbers. So let's create a function, int generate random numbers, and then srand time none. Okay, this function will generate random numbers. Here srand takes seed as an input and is defined inside stdlib.h header file. It is used to generating random numbers, and after that here we will return rand modulus n. Okay, so that we get the numbers in integer. And now we will call this function. Guess equals to random numbers, and then n plus 1. After that we will take user guess as an input, and then cout print computer entered guess handle. Copy this line, paste here. You entered user case, and after that we will check if both are equal or not. As I have said earlier, if case equals to user case, then cout you win. Okay, and we will set flag equals to 1, and then we'll break the loop. Else if user guess is greater than computer guess, that means the number guessed by the user is greater than the number guessed by the computer. In that case we will print cout lower number please. Means we will ask the user to enter a lower number, handle. And in the else part, that is when the number guessed by the user is lower than the number guessed by the computer. In that case we will print, ask the user to print greater number. Okay, and after all this, after the loop ends, means after 10 attempts, we will check if flag is 0. That means the user haven't guessed the right number, and in every attempt it has guessed the wrong number. In that case, we'll change the color of the terminal system color 0A. Okay, and after that we will print Cout, you lose. Better try again. And okay, so by this we our code ends. Let's format this code and we will run this. G++, a guessing game. See, the color has changed. So let's start the game. I've entered number 1. I'm guessing a 5. In the computer, enter 36. I entered 5 and we need to enter this greater number, please. Okay, so the code is running perfectly. Let's guess. It's fun doing it. Lag ja. Beat a match, let it be a match. Oops. I've lost the game after 10 number of attempts here. Attempt number 10. You lose, better try again. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and share this video to your friends. I hope you liked it. Thank you.